Experiencing call reception issues with Red Pocket Mobile? Many users face problems with receiving calls, often stemming from call forwarding mishaps, do not disturb settings, or incomplete number porting. First, verify your call forwarding settings. Dial *73 to disable unconditional call forwarding. For conditional forwarding like busy or no answer, check and reset through the Red Pocket app. Next, ensure Do Not Disturb is disabled both in your phone's settings for Android or iOS and within the Red Pocket app itself. Misconfigured DND can silently block incoming calls. If you recently ported your number, confirm the port is complete via the Red Pocket app. You can also dial *28 to update Verizon's preferred roaming list. If problems persist, try resetting network settings by dialing *#463 ## on Android, toggling airplane mode, or contacting Red Pocket support for a manual SIM swap. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider these advanced fixes. The Red Pocket app has a force port feature, which triggers a manual check and often resolves porting delays quickly. This has been shown to resolve call routing issues in under an hour, highlighted in user case studies after the Verizon outage in July 2025. Also, contact customer support for help with issuing USSD codes for reset. You can also check the online knowledge base in the app or web page to see if similar issues have been recorded and fixed. Also, be aware that Red Pocket is continuously working on AI-driven solutions to solve these problems. Expect to see improvements and more reliable call reception in the future. If you are still facing critical issues, consider reaching out to the FCC via FCC complaints to light a fire under Red Pocket to resolve your issue.